Hi dragons, what's up? It's Nikita. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am getting glammed by none other than celebrity makeup artist to the stars. Wait, before I introduce his name, let me just read off the list of some of the celebrities he's worked with. Christina Aguilera, Becky G, Kris Jenner, Erika Jayne, Nicki Minaj, Paris Hilton, Kim, Lily, Galici, all the damn Kardashians at this point. I mean, is there any other stars to be named? Regardless. Anyways, without further ado, no introduction needed. This is celebrity makeup artist and hairstylist, Etienne Ortega.
Hi guys.
Etienne and I have been wanting to get together for a minute now.
Yeah.
To really go in and go ham with the glam. You guys know it's Halloween for me every single day. And Miss Etienne over there she's like copper eye to the gods, nude lip, doll baby. And I was like, girl.
And that's why I wanted to play around with you, because you just love makeup. And I feel like you're such a staple now in the beauty world and with what's going on in the world.
Yeah,
I feel like
absolutely.
I salute you for doing that.
Ew! Oh my God, thank you, Etienne. And you literally made me look the bestest ever.
I've been on tour, so I've been doing hair on tour, so I'm like, I was dying to do makeup, so I was like, we gotta do something while I'm in town for like 2 days. And it finally worked out, and this is it. This is like
it was
the funnest thing.
Perfect timing. I have no plans, but I'm going to make some plans because look how damn
we're
cute.
Going out tonight.
We're going out tonight. I don't know where, but we're going somewhere. I will say Miss Etienne is booked and mother effing busy. If you've seen a celebrity, if you've seen a cover, if you've seen a magazine, more than likely Etienne has probably touched them at some point and made them look so glam. I've known since I started in makeup that he's been such an incredible supporter of people in the beauty community, not only on YouTube, but other artists. And he just always has such a great energy. So I'm so excited to have you on my channel. Love you. So let's not get mushy-gushy because we did talk a lot during this video. We had a lot to dive into. So let's get into it. Excuse me? I'm being glammed by a celebrity makeup artist. Everyone needs to quiet on set. All right, you guys, so we are about to start, I guess, catfishing because we're about to go from this that you see here to this right here.
So we're gonna start with skin prep.
Okay.
Moisturizing, you guys know this, hello.
This brush has touched the faces of so many celebrities.
So many.
Including Miss Dragon herself. Honestly, I'm so excited to be glam in like 2 seconds. Like everyone accept me at my humble stage that I'm in right now, unglammed.
Since we're doing a very heavy glam contrasted look, we're gonna wanna use, exaggerated concealers, exaggerated contours with, still a very tasteful finish.
What?
Go down, center forehead, and then down the bridge of the nose.
So I struggle with this thing called like a 5 o'clock shadow, basically. It's 2:12 right now, but at some point it's gonna get 5 o'clock. So what would you recommend to someone who gets kind of like gray around this area?
Well, you definitely have to color correct, but a lot of people like using orange, like a really bright orange, which it's okay. Everyone's got their own techniques, but I feel like when you mix an orange with something this light, you're gonna get the exact same color. So you might as well kind of use the color. I'm just doing something really bright to like highlight certain areas. So see, we're already starting to draw like our shapes and where we're gonna want to put things.
So now we are nice and highlighted. We are gonna be using
pre-highlighted. We still got more to go. This is just layer number 1.
Okay.
We're just gonna apply this all over your lids.
For you as an artist, how do you go about envisioning the look?
I'm always inspired, by the wardrobe and it's like overall a team effort, like what the hair guy's thinking or what the makeup artist is thinking, what the stylist brings, the way my client is feeling that day.
And so would you say with every client, there's kind of like a different protocol? Would you think that like some people think your opinion of makeup artists is more heavy than like the hairstylist or the stylist, or some people like think their stylist has the set, you know what I mean?
I have like no ego, I feel, when it comes to that. Like I'm very collaborative. Like I don't feel like I know it all. Like I feel like I have a strong opinion and a strong vision for whatever I'm working on, but sometimes we're not always right, you know? And you gotta like be okay with that. And allow other people to like put their opinions, and then there's been times where I'm like, oh, you know, he was right, or like she was right.
I'm sure it does get crazy when it's like red carpet moment or like photo shoot and you're like rushing, touch up, glam, ha, but you're such a chill personality. Like I understand why people like totally vibe with your like just aesthetic. I'm like, come on, blending already? What's Facetune?
I don't believe in Facetune. I'm just kidding.
I don't know her. So this is the brand new Snow Angel from Dose of Colors. And now Miss Etienne is telling me all about this brush that's not a Morphe brush, which as a beauty guru, I'm like, what?
And then we're gonna use this new KKW. So we're gonna take this purple shade and we're just gonna apply it right to the center. And this is gonna get messy, you know, because I forgot my eye patches. So for this look, you know, we're gonna make it look kind of like a mask. So we're really trying to make the eyes like this way. And then I know everyone loves this, but we're trying to do this.
Oh, okay. And that's a cool tip because I always go this way.
Yeah, it's like a classic move. So we're using this dark shade now.
Like a burgundy?
It's like a burgundy, yeah.
What is your kind of like one tip for blending? Because I still have problems with like blending, especially now when you get into multiple colors.
Well, I would say if you're in doubt, keep blending. See, so when you want to blend the outer corners, yeah, you could use a fluffy brush, you know, and just blend. So I'm gonna take a little concealer. This is Cover FX, and I'm just gonna highlight a little bit more of where we did earlier into the purple and bring it down to start prepping for your concealer.
I'm sure it comes with experience, but just looking at a client's face, knowing what will work and what won't work.
I don't like to gather too much inspiration from like people's work or photos. Like I just kind of like to go off what I want to do because every face inspires me in a different way. So let's use this color. I fell in love with this color when I was swatching them, called Just a Kiss.
Just a Kiss.
And I'm gonna take this little Anastasia brush, A13, and just kind of pat it into the highlighted areas that I just highlighted.
Ooh, that's everything. Come on, Desi and Katie, work. Going in with some foundation. How do you match the perfect foundation, Etienne?
You look at the neck and the chest. That's what.
I'm like 30% out of my humble stage and I'm like really feeling myself already. Like, what? Yeah. So as a celebrity makeup artist, have you had some great moments and some also like, could have done that better?
Work or with
your work, like specifically red carpet. When you saw the picture, you know how some girl, you know, the Getty Images do not lie.
Yeah, of course. I mean, I'm the worst critic to myself. So even when people love my work or something, I'm like, oh, I could have done that lash better or that brow could have been better. Basically. I did a celebrity, you know, for Fashion Week, and I had 25 minutes. You know, to get her together. And,
oh my God.
However, it came out beautiful, but it's one of those things where like, oh, I wish I would have had, you know, more
I'm sure no one would have noticed. Like, okay, so we're doing some cream contouring, some cream contouring. Hold up, bitch. This is the nose contour of my dreams. It's not even on yet. Like, this is the nose contour I've always wanted in my life. That I've needed because I'm the queen of like a bad nose contour, but I just accept it because I'm like, it looks good in pictures, so whatever. Oh, this is what is this, Elsie? Are you more of a liquid person or are you more of like a powder? Or are you just both?
I'm both. I'm versatile.
We love a verse queen. Get into the artist brains. You guys, we just sculpted, we just contoured, and now we're gonna go back and powder. Etienne, would you like to explain your technique behind powdering?
Yeah, I just like to use a powder puff with a very sheer translucent powder and just, you know, let it sit there. And then I dust it off, and then on the darkest parts of, you know, where we contoured, I like to get a darker powder and just slightly just blend everything and set everything.
Already it's like looking so yummy.
See, I'm not taking it all the way to your back here. I'm leaving this because I minimized your jawline and made everything very small.
Oh my god.
You know? That's why I'm not going all the way.
Wait, I'm having another moment. Hi, okay, so we started doing brows now and we're gonna move on to the other brow right now too. That lasts for about like 2 weeks with the guy and then afterwards it's just like...
What's up, dog?
So what is your technique for brows?
You know, the same, just like fill in where the gaps are, shape where you want.
So would you say as a hairstylist and a makeup artist, which do you enjoy more?
Both. That's just a hard question.
I feel like you do always like the perfect balance of like, it somehow looks so cohesive and like, not natural, but just so soft. As a professional makeup artist, obviously you do not have to reveal prices because that's not cute. But how do you determine how much your creative art and all the other stuff, like how do you determine how much that cost?
I never just started making tons of money. You know, I believe in this thing called paying your dues.
Yeah.
And I believe that when you consistently work and you know, you're giving it your all the time, you eventually get to a good place, you know, with good people and you make good clients. The production always has a certain budget. Or, you know, your clients, like I could be working with you and, you know, you work with a lot of brands who have like X, Y, and Z budgets and then that's what determines it. Obviously, we have rates that are like set, but
amazing.
Not everyone has the money, you know, to pay us.
I love that.
Okay, so now we're gonna go in the inner to make it a little more smoky. And we're gonna go use this Marc Jacobs pencil. It's like a deep purple and it is called Grapevine.
Ugh. Oh my god, dead. I know you're living on the inside because girl, we are going so in right now and I'm like, I know he's just like having his moment right now.
Oh, girl.
She's thirsty. We're going for a very dramatic look today because like why be a basic bitch? Like life's too short to be a basic bitch. Now we're using Fenty Beauty, which we are already using all over the body. It is so gorgeous. This is the brand new highlighter.
And it's a little used already, obviously, because I work, you know.
I work. I feel like it gives such like a little like, because it's not like a real like stiff highlighter. It's like more of like
no, it's just more of a diamond.
Like it's so pretty to me though.
And I like to put it a little on the brow. Yeah, so obviously this product is definitely best with fingers. So I think since we're doing, you know, such a dramatic eye, and you love a nude lip, I love a nude lip.
I love a nude lip.
So I think we should play with the nude lips. I like to draw a straight line down the center, just to kind of use as my guideline, you know? We just did liner and that was what?
Sweet Tea by Morphe brushes, you guys. This is a lip liner I use every single day of my life.
Is that necessary? Okay, so we're gonna be using Miss Fame's new lip collection called The Fetish of Fashion.
Yes. Wait, I'm actually so obsessed. I got sent this as well, Miss Fame. I'm so proud of you. Congratulations for Miss Fame Beauty.
Yes.
This is so major. I'm so glad that we get to use it.
For her. And this is called the Flash of Flesh.
Flash of Flesh.
It's a very real nude. So I'm only gonna apply it in the center for now. Miss Fame also sent us this little glitter that comes with all the lipsticks. And I thought it'd be fun to, like, since we're doing something so fun and loud, like, let's do a little glitter lip.
Like a glitter on top? Okay, yeah. I'm nervous, but I'm down.
So pretty.
Bitch. That is stunning.
It's 2 bottom lashes. Really quick.
This is a drugstore mascara, need I add. If you're thinking that we're going crazy with all these products, this is literally a drugstore makeup. Do you care really where the makeup comes from?
No.
Or?
Makeup is makeup.
So now now what is left? Is this kind of like finishing touches?
Yeah.
We're gonna switch. Okay, so now we're gonna switch over to a wig moment. Etienne doesn't know this, but I'm gonna maybe make him like just comb it like once. So we're gonna go off camera and then we're gonna come back with the final look.
Fantasy.
If you're not already shook already with the final fantasy, get into it. All right, you guys, so this is the final look right here, blessed by celebrity makeup artist Etienne Ortega. I am feeling so cunty right now. Like I can't, there's no other word to describe it.
So much fun.
Like you went in. Like yes. I thought we were gonna come over to like a cute little sickening like red carpet moment, which not that this is not a red carpet moment, but I'm like, oh my God, like you went all the way off with this look.
Give you the Etienne experience.
The Etienne experience. I literally made him do my wig so fast. I was like, please, Etienne, please.
She's trying to trick me into doing her hair too, which I would love to next time. Next time we'll do a hair video.
But even this, you just touching me for like 2 seconds, sis. This is
we just got it together.
So we got it together real quick. Anyways, if you guys would like to check out Miss Etienne, please go follow him. Yes, Miss Etienne. Go follow him. I'm gonna leave all of his links down below at, isn't it like _ Etienne?
No, it's just Etienne Ortega.
Oh, hi, just Etienne Ortega, celebrity makeup artist to the stars. Okay, so now on my channel, I'm gonna be starting to do Dragon of the Day. This is someone who retweeted my tweet from last week, so I'm gonna go someone who supported me and retweeted my tweet last time. So Kendall, AKA I'm Care _free with 3 E's. Congratulations on being the Dragon of the Day. Thank you so much for supporting and loving. If you want to be the next Dragon of the Day, don't forget to retweet this video when it comes out. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and don't forget, breathe fire, my dragons.